So you thought Google would take some time off after the conference announcement season? Absolutely not. I've got announcements and updates that you need to know before the holiday season is upon us. I'm David Tucker for Pluralsight, and this is the December episode of Cloud Tracker for Google Cloud Platform. I'm bringing you all of Google's Christmas presents for GCP users here in December. Let's kick it off with our featured announcements for this month. First, I have an announcement for all of you Cloud Spanner users. Google has announced that the time to live or TTL functionality for Cloud Spanner is now generally available. Now, if you're new to this functionality, this capability enables you to define rules for when data should be deleted, and the service provides a fully managed approach to making sure it executes that rule. Now, if you have created manual scripts to do this in the past with Cloud Spanner, you may want to migrate this over to the new TTL capability. Check out the link in the notes to see how easy it is to implement row deletion policies, and it also will provide some examples that cover more complex use cases. Next up, the document translation capability of Cloud Translation is now generally available. This capability, which falls under Cloud Translation Advanced, supports real-time and batch translations. This capability enables organizations to integrate the service into many different workloads. Now, the service currently supports over 100 languages, so check out the link in the notes to see how you can get started with machine learning-powered translation for your organization's documents. Next, Google has launched a new cloud storage transfer service capability that enables exporting data to a POSIX file system. What's great is that this isn't just a one-way export. This capability supports bidirectional data sync. Now, the capability is yet another way to integrate your cloud data in a hybrid manner with your own data center. It even works with Google Distributed Cloud. The feature provides some advanced configuration, including bandwidth management and scheduling. Check out the link for more information. Next up, we have a handful of platform updates. First up, earlier this year in May, I announced that the Datastream service was available in preview, and I'm happy to report that this service is now generally available. This announcement means you can now leverage this serverless change data capture service in your production workflows. Next, I announced last month that Google's managed service for Prometheus was in private preview, but things move quickly in the cloud, and the service has now progressed to a public preview. So if you want Google to manage Prometheus for you, you can directly test it out. Next, the console experience for the Cloud Asset Inventory service is now generally available. This feature enables you to access the information from the time series database of your cloud resources without having to leave your browser. And finally, Elasticsearch is an essential tool for many applications in the cloud. Whether you use it as a searchable data store or as a log analysis database, it is a potent tool to have at your disposal. And Google has now added Dataflow templates that make it easy to migrate your data into Elasticsearch, either on the Elastic Cloud or a self-managed Elasticsearch installation. Now, these templates cover migrating data from PubSub, Cloud Storage, and BigQuery into Elasticsearch. So if you want to get started, check out the link in the notes to walk you through a sample use case. I have a trio of courses in the Pluralsight library from GCP for this month's learning resources. Now, these courses fall under the Essential Google Cloud Infrastructure topic and cover three different concepts: Foundation, Core Services, and Scaling and Automation. Now, the Foundation course will tackle concepts like virtual networks and virtual machines. In Core Services, you'll learn about IAM, storage, and databases, in addition to other topics. And then finally, in Scaling and Automation, you will learn about load balancing, infrastructure automation, and auto-scaling. So if you're looking to improve your GCP skills, these courses are a must-watch. Thanks for tuning in for this month's episode of Cloud Tracker for GCP. I hope each of you has a great holiday season, and I'll see you next month here on Cloud Tracker.